Trimming peach tree.
These have all got a lot of little limbs that are facing the center of the tree, which will end up cutting off the light.
Was this the tree that tipped over because it was so full of peaches one year?
Well,
or it might have been that one.
This big limb right here broke right off. I had to cut it tight to the tree. That one's going straight up. This one's our majestic. Nice tasty peaches too.
Yeah, they are.
Getting tired already.
Oh, he's been out trimming for a while here, guys. We did apples, plums, now we're on to the peach. I'm filming, he's clipping.
I'm just trying to get rid of the ones that are going to the straight up and taking up the center of the tree. I'll pick up all that limb stuff later in the year.
The beauty of retirement.
Well, I enjoy it.
Oh, me too.
This will just save me a lot of work this spring, other than the cleaning up the mess.
Do you want to, before we go in, do you want to cut me off a couple shoots of maybe the Rose of Sharon, or wait till spring? I think I'll wait till spring.
They'll grow anytime. So.
Yeah, there's no hurry for that.
I take a breather here. Definitely got to come off.
My toes are getting cold. Are you getting cold?
Yeah, that's what I said I was going to call it after this.
Yeah, I think we'll be done with the trees after this. We don't have to do the mulberry or the other ones, I don't think, anyway, right now. We can do them another day. We've been out here for a while, but we got to talk about our mulberry too, because it's getting pretty big. And it came in big, and we may want to make some littler ones and just let that be a tree or cut it down or something. But I do climb up in a ladder to cut that, take the mulberries off.
Yeah. Okay.
That's good. You
Strip
think?
them down too much.
Is there any suckers on the bottom?
No.
I don't see any.
The peaches don't give the suckers like the apples do.
Oh, they don't? Okay.
You get a few, but not like the apples. The apples try to become a bush.
What about that guy? Is he good to go?
No, he's not either.
We're going to finish him and then just leave it at that.
Yeah, 'cause,
Just because he's right here and he's so small. It's not a whole lot, but maybe do you want to wait until another day?
no, I'll get it. It's only a couple of branches.
This
Just
guy.
wanna open it up.
It's that kind of cold that like gives you a little sting, you know?
Yeah. Gives you a little sting, all right.
There you go. That looks good.
That should be about right. I want to take that one out, but I'll leave that for this season.
Did a nice job. Yeah, and he might need another.
All right. Time to put the whiskers back and warm my fingers. They trimmed up nice.
Yeah, you did a beautiful job. You did a nice job, Clay. I'm happy. He just woke up this morning and said, I think I'll go out and do those trees today.
Well, there was no snow and it's not warm, but it's not freezing out.
Got trash that comes from the road and constant cleanup of that always.
Yeah.
Somebody threw a mattress out one day and there's always something
I'm
weird.
going to do this stuff with all my trees. These ones are touching.
I'll take that on the way in. Okay, come on in now though. It's getting too cold. You've been out here too long, Dal.
I'm in sneakers. My toes are getting cold.
You know, we've been married long enough, like I'll say, you're hungry. You know, only people that have been married for a long time or a while, they know that feeling. Like, he'll say, oh yeah, she told me I was hungry, so I'm hungry. Right?
We're still on the same wavelength.
We're on the same wavelength, that's for sure. Actually, we've only been married 9 years, but...
Better get the mail before we go in, too.
Do you want me to get it?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, guys. But anyway, all right, guys. I'm going to go inside or get the mail for my husband. And remember, you say it, babe.
Big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. Join us again. Bye.